this video on Traffic Authority, I'm going to show you the Business Centre section of your back office. Now this gives you an overview of everything that's going on in your business. Don't worry too much if it doesn't make any sense to you at the moment. We'll go through all of that as we work our way through it. All of these links here, tabs, will give you an overall view of what each bit does in terms of commissions, downline, marketing stats, and the links that you can use to promote. Here we have the Traffic Authority rewards, and this is a very good business, a good way for Traffic Authority to pay you in terms of commission. What you have to bear in mind is the fact that with Traffic Authority, you're actually getting access to premium top tier buyer traffic, which is the same traffic that you can get through both Facebook ads and Google ads. But the difference being is that where you pay for the traffic to come to you with both Facebook and Google, and you have to convert those leads that drop onto your list into buyers. With Traffic Authority, you're actually getting access to the people that want to buy your product, no matter what it happens to be. So it's premium, top tier traffic, which is buyer traffic, so it's guaranteed. So you're literally setting up yourself to succeed. And for every month that you have your traffic optimizer and your traffic academy and your reseller plan going and renewed, you get $50 back towards buying a traffic package, which is where it's called Bucks Balance, and that's where that aspect of that comes into play. So for everybody that you bring on board, that you introduce to this, you'll get a star qualification depending on what they have. Now it can be the star qualifications, literally when you click on that, will show you what they are. To become qualified at each of the star levels, you must sell the corresponding package to 6 different members. That's all you need really to be successful with Traffic Authority. So 1 star is based on Traffic Optimizer, 2 star for Traffic Academy, and 3 star for your traffic packages. So once you've got all of those in place, you know that you're on the way to earning a lot of money per month with Traffic Authority. Moving down, it shows your residual income, and then your team's residual income as well. And it tells you here what levels you're actually qualified for on the traffic package basis. The top ones obviously will earn you up to 3,200, but you can actually get, it shows you what qualifications you can get on those traffic packs. And then on your qualification bank there, again, it explains that if you click on the qualification bank, it explains how that qualifies you to moving towards the top level within Traffic Authority. So that's the basic overview of your business centre and what it does. That's a snapshot of everything in play, the whole lot of it there. So that's how you can read where your business is at and what it's doing. I hope that's been of interest to you. As I say, don't forget to hit the bell button and subscribe to get more information.